I'm Šimon and welcome to my first vlog in English. It's 6 in the morning and I had yesterday in the cafe. And they had this delicious cake. I like this tree. I like it autumn. I like it. You see this color of this tree? Beautiful. Beautiful. Have you ever seen a hydrant of your house? This is a hydrant of my house. I like this beautiful color. Today is Sunday and I prepare this paper for physics to Monday school. Friend is coming to visit me today, so I'm going to clean up a bit now. I am now preparing food for the visit and thought of preparing hot tea, cookies and bread with vegetables. The bed is already made. The living room is tidy. So my friend just left. And it was great. We discussed all the topics we could. We had a very nice green tea and we lit a candle. Hi, we have another day here, Sunday 13. Today I have spring onions from the garden for lunch. With potatoes, eggs and tofu. Tagetes erecta is beautiful flower. And we have two Tagetes patulanana and this is same beautiful flower. Here we are another day and I'm already back from school. Today I got chocolate and it was very good because I had already eaten it. I'm cutting a video for you. It's first vlog in English and you see this video in the vlog. Are you understand me? I must study this. Now I'm going to the bath. Today I like it this song. What song will it be tomorrow? This is a wreath for All Souls Day and I made it today. Today I buy this powerbox for iPhone, AirPods and Apple Watch. And now is unboxing time. Powerbox for iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods. It is very heavy because it is made of iron. You can open. Tada! There is for iPhone, there is for Apple Watch and there is for AirPods. There is a USB-C port and it costs 88 euros. My mom bought me pistachio pastry. It was delicious. Today I have just finished watching Anne with an E. I loved it. It was excellent. I was surprised by the ending. This is the view from the roof of the Agriculture Museum in Prague. I saw this beautiful moon in Prague. Today I've met my kindergarten teacher. It was nice to see her. All my kindergarten memories came back to me. Kindergarten time was the best time of my life. Hi, today I'm back from school and I'm very tired. Very tired. I'm glad it's Friday. I planted this cactus here about a month ago and it looks beautiful. It grows new leaves. But we had a new fridge because old one starting humming. And this thing is very nice for drinks because it not moves. I'm now doing a tea for me.
We don't have another hand because I take at home. No take. No.
This tea is for good mood. Very nice. Good morning. I'm very tired. It's 9 a.m. I'm sleeping good, but I'm very tired. The bed is made. Yesterday I tied this flower to keep it straight. My ficus Benjamina have a little fakes. I like it. I cannot eat, but it is beautiful. The food my grandmother made for lunch for me. It's delicious. This flower, Christmas star, is beautiful and I hoped it will bloom again for us at Christmas. My orchid has brand new growths on the twigs. It will bloom. And it has new leaves too. Tropaiolum maius. And this is beautiful flowers. Beautiful colors. Beautiful color of this flower. Azania splendens. Here you can already see the results of my engraving. I think it turned out very well. My breakfast. Thank you very much for watching the first vlog in English. See you on the next vlog. Bye.